Welcome to our motherboard showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular options for AMD Ryzen 5000 series processors, the ASUS Prime B450M-A and the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3. Both motherboards are designed for budget-conscious builders, but they offer different features and capabilities. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The ASUS Prime B450M-A utilizes the older B450 chipset, which is still compatible with the latest Ryzen 5000 series processors after a BIOS update. In contrast, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 features the newer B550 chipset, which typically supports PCIe 4.0. However, this motherboard limits its primary slots to PCIe 3.0, which is unusual for a B550 board. This difference in chipset generation can impact future upgrade paths and performance capabilities. When it comes to form factor, the ASUS Prime B450M-A is a micro ATX motherboard, making it an excellent choice for compact builds. On the other hand, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 is an ATX motherboard, providing more expansion slots and connectivity options. If you're looking for a motherboard that fits in a smaller case, the ASUS option is ideal. However, if you need more room for additional components, the MSI board might be the better choice. In terms of USB connectivity, the ASUS Prime B450M-A offers a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port with speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, providing faster data transfer for peripherals. In contrast, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 is limited to USB 3.2 Gen 1, which offers speeds of 5 gigabits per second. This difference can significantly impact the performance of connected devices, making the ASUS board a better choice for users who prioritize high-speed connectivity. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B450M-A and MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The ASUS board is perfect for budget-conscious builders looking for a compact solution with excellent connectivity options. Meanwhile, the MSI board offers a larger form factor and enhanced power delivery, but at a higher price point. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.